welcome to AI Path. In this video, we're going to explore OpenClaw, the open-source AI agent that took the world by storm in early 2026. Over 140,000 GitHub stars in just weeks. Let's see what it is and why everyone's talking about it. Here's the problem. Every day, you use dozens of different apps. Email, calendar, messaging, file storage, task managers, music, smart home controls. None of them talk to each other. You're constantly switching between apps, copy-pasting information, and losing context. What if you had one AI assistant that could connect to all of them and handle tasks across all your apps with a simple conversation? Meet OpenClaw. Created by Austrian developer Peter Steinberger, it's a free, open-source AI agent that runs on your own computer. You talk to it through your favorite messaging app, Telegram, WhatsApp, or Discord, and it connects to all your services behind the scenes. Need to check your email, schedule a meeting, and play some music? Just ask OpenClaw in one conversation. No switching apps. It uses large language models like GPT or Claude to understand what you want, then uses skills to actually do things in the real world. OpenClaw has an incredible origin story. In November 2025, Austrian developer Peter Steinberger launched a project called Claudebot. A play on Claude and Claw, the lobster mascot. Anthropic wasn't thrilled about the name, so in late January 2026 it briefly became Moltbot, then 3 days later, OpenClaw. It exploded. Over 140,000 GitHub stars in just weeks. Then in February 2026, Steinberger announced he was joining OpenAI. The project moved to an open-source foundation, backed by OpenAI. The fastest-growing open-source AI project in history. So how does OpenClaw actually work? Let's look at the architecture. At the center is the OpenClaw core. This is the brain that processes your messages. On one side, you have messaging connectors, Telegram, WhatsApp, Discord, or even a web interface. This is how you talk to OpenClaw. On the other side, you have AI models. OpenClaw sends your request to an AI model like GPT-4, Claude, or even a local model running on your machine. And at the bottom, you have skills. These are plugins that let OpenClaw actually do things, send emails, control your smart home, manage your calendar, and more. One of the best things about OpenClaw is ClawHub, the skill marketplace. Think of it like an app store, but for your AI assistant. There are over 5,700 community-built skills covering everything: email management, music control, smart home automation, productivity tools, finance tracking, and much more. Installing a skill is as simple as running one command. And because it's all open source, you can inspect exactly what each skill does before you install it. Let's see a quick example of what using OpenClaw looks like in practice. You open Telegram and type, "Check my Gmail for anything urgent," then add a reminder to my calendar for the most important one. OpenClaw reads your emails, identifies the urgent ones, picks the most important, and creates a calendar event. All from one message. That's the power of having an AI assistant that connects to everything. That's OpenClaw in a nutshell. A free, open-source AI assistant that connects to your messaging apps and services, powered by the latest AI models. In the next video, we'll install OpenClaw step by step and get it running on your computer in under 10 minutes. See you there.